What's up YouTube fam? Today I'm doing a short video on how I made this Oreo French Toast Waffle. It came out delicious and it's perfect for anyone who wants to have a dessert breakfast. Throwing down my list of ingredients, I have vanilla extract, 3 big tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of milk, and I know I have 2 eggs down here, but I only used 1. Then we have a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. We have maybe 7 or 8 Oreo cookies, and then we have 3 Eggo waffles. For this particular video, I used the thick and fluffy waffles because those will hold the French toast batter better. Starting with our French toast batter, you're going to go ahead and crack open 1 egg, add half of your milk, and then you're going to put a couple of spoonfuls of your Oreo cookie mixture. I went ahead and threw them in a food processor just so I can get them granulated. And then we're going to do maybe a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're going to put that all in the bowl, and then you're going to go ahead and mix it. Be sure not to add too much Oreo to the mixture, otherwise it'll come out really dark like mine did. Next, I'm actually going to pour that mixture into a flat plate. That way it's easier for me to dip my waffles in, as you guys can see. And since I used the thick and fluffy one, you want to make sure that you get the batter on the inside of the little, cutout squares in there. And then you want to immediately fry your waffle. Otherwise, if you let it sit too long, it'll get really mushy, and then when you go to cook them, the inside will be very mushy, and that will just ruin the experience. So now we're going to go ahead and actually cook our French toast, and I use 1 big tablespoon of butter for each waffle. I'm going to go ahead and heat up your pan to like a low medium. That way you don't burn your waffles. And you just go ahead, put some butter on it, let it cook, flip it, cook that side, flip it. You want to do this around 3 or 4 times. Me personally, I like my French toast to be really crispy on the edges, so I left mine to cook a little bit longer. But if you don't like your French toast crispy on the edge, then you can cook it for shorter. Again, you want to make sure that you did not oversaturate your waffle, otherwise you have to cook it longer so the inside is fully cooked. You don't want to be eating raw egg. Now to make your Oreo cookie glaze, you're going to mix together in a bowl all of your powdered sugar. You're going to mix a little bit of milk, and then you're going to put a little bit of the Oreo cookie mixture inside as well. Don't over mix it, otherwise your glaze will turn gray. You still want it to be a little bit white. And then go ahead and just pour that onto your waffles. But this is how my French toast came out, and I thought they were perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit of glaze on there, set it up for presentation, and there you guys have it. Please let me know what you guys thought about this recipe. If you tried it at home for your kids, or maybe you just have a sweet tooth, go ahead and try this recipe. It's great, super quick. It only takes like maybe 7 ingredients that you can get at your local grocery store. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.